Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south in Tremolesworth towards Kinrara, also Mosquito Hole, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on Tremolesworth Road. Turning off the Tremolesworth Road onto Top Road. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Kinrara, also Mosquito Hole, to Dean Pen, Highgate and the other places. Top Road ends. Going left will take you back onto the Tremolesworth Road towards Nonsuch and Unity, also Unity Estate. But we have made the right towards Cherryfield Road, also Cherry Peace Road. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.